How do you get speaker? Right here. We are doing a play tonight!
So,
And it's snowing!
it is about 6 o'clock at night right now. We're about an hour and a half into showtime.
What are you doing?
Talk about what's going on.
What's going on is that we're in the middle of almost a snowstorm, but we're fucking tough-ass people, and we're sucking it up, and we're gonna do the best performance that we've ever done.
Will you climb that hill?
As long as I don't fall.
Hurry.
I just ran into one of the people that car went into a ditch and they want to come see this play. Why did you want to come see this play, miss? I had no choice. My car went to the ditch right outside of DMAC. That's the only reason you're here? Get the fuck out. I didn't know there was a play here, actually. I just came in here. Do you want to see this play? What is it about? People and how it would be better if we didn't get to know each other. No, I don't. Kind of like how I really wish I wasn't sitting here talking to you.
A lot of performances over the past 2 days, and it was all building up to this, the crescendo of everything that we worked for, and it might get denied us. I'm torn between living and wanting to live on stage. Ugh.
All right, pick the next. Talk about it.
Wow.
It's cold, snowy. We shouldn't be here, but we are anyways.
I don't know, but my hands are wet.
The snow is blowing.
Come on. Okay.
About 50 miles an hour. And here it goes, Lance.
Snow.
Doing a snow angel. Come on, Andy, join him.
Andy, what the hell? Come on, man!
Come on, yes. Aaron, come on, bud. Lacey.
No, fuck that.
Right there, man. Archangel shit. What are we doing here?
We're doing a play. We're doing theater.
Well, actually, it looks like we're kind of doing
It's kind of cold right now, actually. It's just a little bit, little nippy. Aaron, you got any comments?
Yeah, we are hardcore.
Hardcore.
We stay for our audience.
Ow.
Sorry, man.
We're gonna warm up now.
I know.
What's gonna happen tonight?
We're gonna have a lot of fun, destroy the stage, and shock the audience.
What audience?
If we have an audience. If not, we're gonna shock ourselves by what Amy is gonna do to the stage.
This is Andy, and it's just chaotic outside. Massive amounts of snow falling from the sky, blizzard-like conditions. Nobody else on campus but us people from HUFF Theater.
Oh my god. There's a blizzard here at DMAC. We don't know if we're performing or not. It is super cold outside, and I saw 2 cars in the ditch on the way here.